In this video, I'm going to address the older marketers out there, people in their 50s, 60s, 70s, even beyond, who maybe don't have enough to retire, or maybe they just want to supplement their retirement income. A lot of people are in this position. I've been working online for 25 years, and I've lived all over the place. I've lived in Asia. I've lived in Europe, Paris. I lived in Canada. I was in Montreal for a while, New York City, LA, Miami, lots of different places. And it's because I was like one of the first digital nomad types. Actually, I even got kicked out of Canada because that back in the day, before I dyed my hair, I went out. I speak French, so I went up to Montreal, hung out, had like a really nice apartment up there, and I was working online. But that was back in the days when no one was doing that. And when I had to go back across the border, I'd rented out a place for like 6 months. The guards stopped me and they interrogated me. Thought it was like, I don't know, some sort of criminal or something. And they interrogated me for like 3 hours, ripped apart my car. And they said, listen, they didn't find anything on me, but they said, you got 7 days to leave Canada. Otherwise, the RCMP, Royal Canadian Mounted Police, were going to come after you. And I said, why? I'm here legally. I'm not working here. And they said, well, you didn't have any gray hair. If you had gray hair, you'd look like a Floridian coming up. But, we just don't want you there, because they couldn't wrap around their head that I had income coming in from the United States from online, because no one was doing it. Now everyone is doing it. It's all the rage. So, I'm lucky in that sense that I've been doing this a long time. But, and I could probably retire right now, even though I'm in my late 60s, if I just wanted to, but I can't even fathom that, because I've got so much more that I want to do. I'm learning new things with AI, and also I want to make more money too, I just love this game. But there's also people out there who need to make some additional income and are older, and I've got good news. This internet thing, this AI thing, it is not ageist at all. Doesn't matter if you're 12, doesn't matter if you're 90. You can make this work for you. And actually, there are advantages for some of us older people. Like I had a lot of experience in direct sales. I've had a lot of experience just talking to people, writing my own copy without having to rely on AI, even though we have AI to do it. And also, we generally have more money than the younger people, and a little bit more patience. And there's a huge market out there of people our age that we can market to, that have disposable income to spend on whatever it is they need. And they're going to relate more to someone their age. So I'm going to show a side hustle that you can do in this video that really does not take very much technical expertise. So we're going to be marketing video marketing and SEO services to local businesses. I'm talking to people, doctors, lawyers, plumbers, surgeons, med spas, even niches within that. You could do DUI lawyers, you could do cosmetic dentistry, specific niches. Okay. You can choose the niche, whatever one that you can relate to. I'm doing mold testers. That's just because right now I have mold testers paying me $1,000, $2,000 a month. I thought, hey, let's get some more of these guys. They're really great customers. But you don't have to do that niche. You can do any of these local marketing niches, and go ahead and comment niches below, and I'll give you some lucrative niches that you can contact with us. So we're going to be marketing these services. Now, you don't have to know how to do any of these things. I have all the technical knowledge. I can set them up with websites, AI chatbots, video marketing, Google review systems that keep them from getting bad reviews, a whole slew of services, and you get commissions on everything. But all you have to do is find people who are interested, and it's a very simple process that works. Okay. And what you get is up to $700 commissions on some products. Depends on which service. Some are paying recurring commissions, and these customers tend to stay a long time. So it is a really great market. Another reason this market is so good is there are unlimited prospects. I mean, how many DUI lawyers are there in the United States of America? You could have a total niche devoted just to DUI lawyers, contact every single one of them. It'll take you a long time to contact all of them. And so you will never run out of leads with this. So it's fantastic in that way. And number three, We can really help these people. It's not a ripoff. They're going to get value. We're going to help them. And the good thing is they'll stay as long-term customers. And that is my goal 100%. Sometimes I even do stuff for free at first just to get confidence with some of these people. My whole goal is long-term customers. That's another advantage of being older. Okay. I don't need the money right now. So I'm not stressed. I can go ahead and really deliver value and think long-term. And that's something that's really missing in the online marketing world. So for those 3 reasons, this is just a great market. Now, I am personally targeting mold testers because I already have a couple mold testing customers. I got good examples of what I've done for them, and they seem to pay well and stick with it. So that's good. But hey, man, I bet cosmetic dentistry or plastic surgeons, probably some really other good markets out there. I just haven't had a chance to get to them. So what is the method? I come here to Facebook. I create a Facebook business page based on that niche. And I like this one. I say best mold testing USA. You could have best cosmetic dentistry USA, best cosmetic dentist USA. Up to you, but something like that identifies that that's what this niche is about. Then you come up to Facebook and you go ahead and you follow people in that niche. It's that easy. Mold testing, New York. Okay, let's do mold testing New York. And we'll come here and we're going to find people. Okay. And hey, let's follow them. I'm going to follow this guy, Mold Tech. And let me like his thing. And I might even ask a few questions. Okay, let's see. I come here, like it. Okay, let me see. Do you guys have a YouTube channel? Okay, whatever. I'm not selling here. I'm not selling anything. All I want to do is open up conversations. And you can go, say you had cosmetic dentistry. You could go to ChatGPT and say, give me 20 conversation opener messages for opening up conversations with people in dentists in cosmetic dentistry. And ChatGPT will give you a bunch of things to say. And you don't want to copy and paste the same thing over and over. I'm not going to sit here to every single person and say, do you guys have a YouTube channel? No, every time I say something different, but you can just go to YouTube, ChatGPT and ask them to give you a whole list of conversation openers for your specific niche. It's unbelievable. And you can just put that in a text file. You could have copy and paste different messages, but I don't comment on every one. I follow every once in a while, I comment, and you can do about 50 a day. Okay. And people will start following you. And the whole thing with this is just to be consistent. Okay. Just to be consistent. This doesn't take much time. Look, I'm doing it while I'm talking to you. I'm following a few people here and I'm going to like. I made one comment and that's it. Okay. He's got his video going. Loads automatically. Let's like that for him. Very good. You get the idea. So I can just pick any city anywhere in the United States and just go and start following people. And this is what happens. Now here I go. I have a list of followers and I got these exclusively by following these people. All right. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to contact them. And how I'm going to contact them? I'm going to contact them through text. Why text? People are glued to their phone. Now, mass texting does not work very well. It does work, but it's very complicated. There are legal issues, so on and so forth. We're doing a very targeted thing. Again, we're just targeting one niche, all right? And these are people who we already have a connection with. So say I want to do I Spy. I'm going to first find their phone number, okay? Now, here, these guys just have a Instagram page. That's not too good for them. They should have a website. So let's find another one. Okay. We'll come down here and okay, Premier Air Duct Cleaning. Okay. Well, let's try this one. Forensic. Come down here and usually what they do is they have a phone number over here. So you copy this phone number, right? Now we know what the guy's name is, Jeremy. That's very important. A lot of times I'll go on their website to look for the person's name. Again, everything is targeted here. We're taking our time. These customers can be worth thousands of dollars. Okay. I'm going to send this message off. Now, what is this program? This is called Sideline. Sideline. And this is a second phone number that you can put on your mobile phone, and they also have a web interface in his excellent system. And so I'm using text because people respond to text much better than email, but I'm not doing a mass system. You know, if you could do 50 a day, that is an actual lot if you're very, very targeted. Okay, the message has got to be targeted. The people you got to be have to be targeted, so on and so forth. So you don't just use this to mass spam. You probably lose the Sideline account. No good. We're offering personal service, and also we're not selling anything at first. I'm coming in here. I'm going to click compose. I'll copy and paste this phone number in here. There we go. Now I have a list of messages that I use in ChatGPT. I came to ChatGPT. I wrote my basic message like, hey, I appreciate you following me on Best Mold Testing USA. I did follow them. They did follow me. That's great. We had that connection. I wanted to share a marketing idea. It's helping me generate mold testing leads consistently. So I have a video showing how I've just kicked butt for this mold testing company and got them completely dominating YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. I mean, it's unbelievable. Fantastic video, right? Showing how I can dominate local business. So I've got the proof, and I just wanted to show him this video and show him how I'm getting leads, and everything I say is true. All right. So I've got variations of these messages. I just said, ChatGPT, give me variations on my basic message. It gave me as many as I wanted. I did 10, then I did another 10. Why? Because I don't want to be saying the same thing over and over again. That looks like a spam thing. So I'm going to come here and I'm asking permission. This is very important. I'm asking permission. I'm not saying, here's my video. He may not be interested in my video. So you've got to have the patience. And that's another thing where older people can maybe do it better. Okay. We have to be patient, right? You'll tempt me. I'll tell you the story of the old bull and the young bull. Okay. But I don't know. All right, here we go. I say, hi, Jason, right? His name is Jason, right? Let's go back here and look, double check. I've been talking and I forgot his name already. I guess I'm having a senior moment, right? Jeremy, see? Got to check on this. I won't call him the wrong name. He's not going to like that. And his name is Jeremy. Jeremy. Is that how you spell it? Am I spelling it right? You got to spell his name right too. See, this is personal, right? I'm thinking about Jeremy here. I'm not going to just spam him. Okay, looks pretty good. I'm going to put my name too. Thanks, Matt. I'm being personal. Two T's. Hey, hi, Jeremy. I appreciate you following me on Best Mold Testing USA, Facebook. I wanted to share a marketing idea that's been helping me generate mold testing leads consistently. I put together a short video explaining everything. Okay, first of all, I'm asking his permission. Secondly, I'm referring to where we have a connection already. All right. And thirdly, I'm in his business. I'm not just saying, hey, I can help you with SEO. No, I know your business, man. We're on the same page. So this is much more targeted, and this is the way to go. This is how you separate yourself from other people. And this text thing is unbelievable because people get these. So I'm going to click send. Now I just did this. Now he got this. I just did this today. I'm going to show you how effective this is. I sent out about 20 of them. I've already got a couple responses. Now I already we've got a couple responses already. Here I talked to Ben and I put the initial message here. And then he said, okay, just as simple as that. And now I have his permission. I sent the video and I gave him a link to my calendar to set up an appointment. Now, if you do this and you follow up afterwards and he says he's interested, you can contact me, give me the lead. I'll follow up and close them for you. So you don't even have to talk to them. Your whole thing is to get someone to send them the video. And if you comment video below, I'll send you the video. I'll send you everything, okay, that you can use to send to them. And what I'll do is if they come back here and say, hey, I'm interested, or if you follow up with them and say, hey, are you interested? What'd you think of the video? Give them a few days. And they text back, yeah, it was great. I'm interested in moving forward. You give me their information and I will go ahead and follow up for you and sell it, or you can give them your affiliate link. That's a good thing to give them your affiliate link because I want the cookie to be set, but these things definitely have to be sold with contact. Okay. Every single one I've sold has been contacted. It's high ticket. And so generally that's how. But I'll help you. I'm going to provide the services. I'm going to set up everything, and I will follow up, and I'll make sure you get credit. So we're having a much more personal contact. It's not like a regular affiliate program. You just click a link and they order. Usually that's a low ticket thing. People talk high ticket affiliate marketing. High ticket, people want to talk to someone if they're going to spend a lot of money generally. Okay. So that's how this system works. And I've got several responses, just doing like 20 of them today. Here's another one down here. Okay. Another one down here. Same. Please do. They're not too, they don't talk too much, right? Just please do. So they gave me the okay. I sent it out to them. I'll follow up in a few days, see where they go. But this text thing is very, very effective. So I'm going to put everything in the description below that you need to get started with this. And keep in mind that this can be used for anything. This is like a template. It doesn't have to be my thing. It can be anything. It's an excellent way to market. You just have to identify your niche, identify your market, have an overwhelmingly fantastic thing to sell them that really works for them, and follow up. So I hope this makes sense to you. If you like this type of information, please subscribe, comment below, comment affiliate, video, niches, whatever you want. And I will send you the list of niches. Okay. I'll send you the link to sign up for free for this. And I'll send you the link, and there's no affiliate link, I don't think, with Sideline. I haven't even looked. It's $14 a month. Totally worth it. I send that over. Okay. So if you're an older person, you need a side hustle, make some extra income, I've got one for you. There's plenty more, but this is a good one to get started. You got to get started, start moving. All right. Thanks so much. This is Matthew May. I appreciate it.